So ShortAI is by far the best AI tool you need right now to start creating your faceless YouTube shorts and of course your social media content. Now if you want to start creating your YouTube shorts without showing your face, ShortAI is the best AI tool you need right now. And if you want to start creating your faceless TikTok content, faceless YouTube content, and of course faceless Instagram Reels, ShortAI is also the best AI tool that you need right now. Now, one very fantastic thing about this AI tool is that it can take just one long video and create like 10 or 9 short clips from it. So you can imagine when you make just one single long video and then you get like extra 10 clips from it that you can post and of course get monetized. Now let's quickly go back to ShortAI. I want to show you some of the amazing things that you can do with this beautiful AI tool. I'm going to walk you step by step through how it works, how you can start creating faceless YouTube short and social media content and actually monetize it. I'm also going to show you how you can turn one long video into multiple clips. So if you are ready, let's get started. All you need to do is to go to Google and type ShortAI. Okay, so this is what the platform looks like. You can see you can create AI clip maker, you have a faceless video, you also have your social media schedule. Okay, so there's so many things that you can do with this AI tool. Now I want to show you how you can turn one long video into multiple clips, like 10 to 9 clips. All you need to do is to click on AI clip maker. Okay, when you click on AI clip maker, okay, so here it says that you can take one long video and turn it into 10 viral clips. Okay, which is very fast. All you need to do is just for you to upload once, okay, and then your clip is ready. Now to get my long video, I have to head over to my YouTube channel to get a link from one of my videos. So if you already have a clip on if you already have a long video on your PC, you can just simply upload it here, okay, by clicking on this upload. Now all you need to do again when you get your link is just for you to come over here and drop the link of your YouTube video that you want to get multiple clips from. Okay, so as soon as you're done with that, please go ahead and hit on clips. Now come over to video type and select what video type that you want for the video. You can either let the AI detect the video type for you, or you can choose from any of these: podcast, gaming, lifestyle, vlog, and sports. So choose any of these and you're good to go. Then come over to aspect ratio, and because we are talking about shorts clips here, okay, so we are going to, by default is going to be 9:16 dimension, and then choose your clip length that you want. Any clip length that is suitable for your video is what you're going to choose over here. So just make your choice either in seconds or in minutes longer. Okay, then again, if you want subtitles for your video, please go ahead and tick yes, and if you do not want subtitles at all, please leave it on no. Okay, now here you can see examples of you can see what the subtitles will look like in your video. Here are a few examples. Here you can see a few clips here that has the video titles on them, subtitles on them. So if it looks good if it looks good for the video that you want to create is for, please leave it at yes, but otherwise please leave it at no and go ahead. As soon as you're done, please go ahead and click on your get clips, and automatically your video will start generating. It will start generating immediately. Now I want to quickly show you some of the clips that I have created previously from some of the videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this one so you can see examples of what I've created already before. Here I think I have about 10 minutes long video here, and I'm able to get about 9 clips here. Okay, and I've checked everything was so perfect. Like I could not just imagine that this could be possible with this AI tool. So here our clips are ready. Now we've gotten about 9 to 10 clips from this about 8 minutes long video. How many long video? Yes, about 7 minutes long video here. We've gotten about 8 to 9 clips here. So this is super amazing. Like you can just start creating magic with this AI tool. Now you can see that I'm trying to check. It does not just create clips for you, so added titles for you. Now my original title was ditching for Photoshop for Google Nano Banana. Now it has created like so many other titles that are ready for you to start using. So all you just need to do is for you to just download your video. If you want to download it straight up, and then you can start posting on your social media platform. And again, if you want it to be automated, all you also need to do is just for you to connect your social media platforms to ShortAI, and it automatically starts posting your scheduling and posting your content for you. It can either you can also rename the titles if you're not comfortable with anyone. Rename them Now let me show you how you can create your AI stories using ShortAI. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on that faceless video. It brings you to this page, and you're going to see there's so many features over here: your Reddit stories, your superhero, your AI stories, creating fake text messages. So I have to scroll down and look for the templates that works best for you. So as I'm scrolling down, I have found this one. So I'm going to be using this AI story video template. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click on this, and then because I want to create a bedtime stories, I'm going to click on that bedtime stories. It brings me to this page. Okay, so you have to choose the language of your choice. If your default language is not English, please go ahead and choose from any of the languages that are here. I'm choosing English, and then you are going to write an opening story, that what you want your story to start with. Okay, again, because I'm doing a bedtime story, so I decided to go with the popular sentence, once upon a time. So I'm using once upon a time. You can also use whatever that suits best for your story. Now after you put your video starting, okay, what you want a video to start with, go ahead and put the call to action that you want a video to end with. So I'm choosing see you next time. Then come over here and then choose the length of your video, and once you are done, just click on generate script, and your script will start generating automatically. I mean, it happens in few seconds. Now our script is ready. Okay, our script is ready and can be edited, so you can as well edit in the title or edit anything that you're not comfortable with. And as soon as you're done, please click on next and come over here and choose the styles or the characters that you want for your video: Ghibli style, Pixel style, Lego style, dark style, oil painting, Disney, and so much more. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be choosing Pixel style. Pixel style is, I'm comfortable with it because of my story. And then if you're going to be choosing your subtitles here, and then if you don't want any of these subtitles, please go ahead and toggle the button off. You can see it over here at the top left corner. You can toggle it off, and here it brings you back to where you can choose voiceover for your video. I already told you that it's going to create voiceover for you, the images and the videos perfectly, and start posting for you. So here you can choose any of this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about all the latest news, trends, and celebrity gossip. Let's get into it.
Now this is perfect. I just go ahead and click on create, and then that's all. Here our video has been finished creating, and it's perfect. So but I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like or what it sounds like. Okay, so what you just need to do is to double check. But if at the end of this you do not like it, please go ahead and reprise.
In a forgotten corner of the world, there lay a valley named Whispering Meadows. Here, the air shimmered with gentle whispers of nature. Tall, soft grasses danced under the caress of a warm breeze. Clouds drifted like dreamy thoughts, casting playful shadows over delicate flowers. In this serene place lived a kind soul named Ilara. Each night she wandered through the meadows.
You can see how beautiful our video is.
Like ancient secrets,
the picture quality is perfect. The video is engaging. The images are amazing. The voiceover is as realistic as possible.
Ilara followed it to a hidden glade. A silvery stream sparkled, reflecting the star's light. It was then she found a magical stone that glowed softly. With a gentle touch, the stone revealed glimpses of dreams and adventures yet to come. Ilara understood then that the true magic of the valley was not in the stone, but in the journey. Returning home, her heart brimmed with warmth. Each dream she would dream held the essence of her adventures in Whispering Meadows. See you next time.
So ShortAI can practically create content for you, share your content for you, and of course publish your content for you. So it does all the heavy lifting for you. You practically need little or no effort. Okay, if you've watched to this point, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos on AI.